Welcome to Soul Growth Stories, where we explore the profound journey of the human spirit and the power of choice. Meet Marcus, a 28-year-old man working tirelessly inside a damp and freezing seafood processing factory every single day. He was once a brilliant student with bright dreams, but he dropped out early to help his struggling family survive poverty. Now, he is trapped in the dangerous comfort of a highly average life, slowly losing his passion and his deep inner fire. 10 long years have slipped away through his fingers while he settled for the easiest routines and avoided any hard challenges. He thought sacrificing his education was a temporary necessity, but that brief pause eventually became his permanent reality without warning. Meanwhile, his younger sister Lena chose a completely different path, studying late into the night while everyone else was fast asleep. Lena pushed through the exhaustion and the endless doubts to build a successful career that brought immense pride to their family. Their mother still loves him deeply, but her eyes reveal a quiet resignation, as if she has finally stopped expecting anything great. Seeing that silent disappointment hurts Marcus more than the freezing ice at the factory or the endless physical labor he endures. One evening, he wanders past a local community center and spots a faded bulletin board advertising free adult education classes. Hesitant but curious, he steps into the quiet room where Mr. Alvaro, an older volunteer teacher, is slowly erasing the dusty chalkboard. Mr. Alvaro greets him with a knowing smile, immediately recognizing the heavy burden of unfulfilled potential resting upon his shoulders. Marcus sits down quietly, staring at his scarred hands, confessing that he feels it is simply too late to change anything. The wise teacher listens patiently before pulling out two distinct bags from a dark corner of the very small classroom floor. He points to the small pouch first, explaining that this represents the daily discipline required to achieve a meaningful life. Marcus lifts the small pouch easily. It contains the slight discomfort of waking up early, studying hard, and rejecting all useless distractions. Then, the teacher gestures toward the massive sack, explaining that this giant bag represents the ultimate pain of long-term regret. Marcus tries to lift the giant sack, but fails completely. It is impossibly heavy, anchored securely to the solid wooden floor beneath. The teacher opens the heavy sack, revealing thousands of tiny, dark stones, each representing a delayed action or broken promise. Every time you say you will do it tomorrow, another tiny stone is added to this massive bag of endless sorrow. A single stone weighs almost nothing, but after 10 years of collecting them, the combined weight will completely crush your soul. Marcus stares at the stones, realizing that his entire adult life has been spent filling this very sack with heavy regrets. He remembers every morning he chose sleep over ambition, and every evening he chose mindless entertainment over reading a single useful book. The teacher gently places the small pouch of discipline into his hands, reminding him that he still has a powerful choice. You must choose your burden carefully, because we all must suffer one of these two pains during our short lifetime. The pain of discipline weighs mere ounces, while the agonizing pain of regret will eventually weigh several crushing tons upon you. Walking home under the starry sky, Marcus feels a strange new energy awakening within his previously dormant and deeply exhausted spirit. He decides right then to stop adding heavy stones to his bag of regret, setting his old alarm clock for 5 a.m. When the harsh alarm rings the next morning, his exhausted body begs for sleep, but his determined mind demands immediate action. He opens a borrowed accounting textbook, focusing his tired eyes on the complex numbers while the rest of the city sleeps. This new routine requires him to study for 1 solid hour every single morning before his brutal shift at the factory. At work, his muscles ache terribly and his hands freeze, but his mind feels sharper and more alive than ever. 3 nights a week, he returns to the community center, absorbing every lesson Mr. Alvaro teaches with deep hunger and gratitude. When his old friends invite him out for drinks, he politely declines, choosing the quiet weight of discipline over temporary social pleasures. The days turn into weeks, and the weeks quickly become months of relentless dedication, silent struggles, and continuous personal growth. It is never easy. Sometimes the math problems seem impossible, and the urge to quit whispers loudly in his tired ears. But whenever he feels weak, he remembers that massive sack of heavy stones and immediately refocuses his attention on the open textbook. 4 months later, a profound transformation becomes visible. Marcus stands taller, speaks with clarity, and radiates a quiet, undeniable inner confidence. He gathers his courage and walks into the busy manager's office, presenting his newly acquired accounting skills and asking for an opportunity. The busy manager is genuinely surprised by the flawless test scores and the professional demeanor of his former floor worker. Recognizing his incredible dedication, the manager offers Marcus a junior position in the billing department, moving him away from the ice. Stepping out of that office, Marcus takes a massive breath of fresh air. The heavy weight on his chest has finally vanished. When he shares the wonderful news with his mother, tears of absolute joy and immense relief stream down her wrinkled face. Lena embraces him tightly, expressing how incredibly proud she is of his determination to rewrite his own story from scratch. Marcus now sits in a clean, warm office, typing confidently on a modern computer, far removed from the freezing factory floor. He keeps a tiny pouch on his desk as a daily reminder of the beautiful weight of discipline he chose to carry. One evening, he returns to the familiar community center to visit Mr. Alvaro, who is busy inspiring a new struggling class. They share a firm handshake and a silent look of mutual respect, acknowledging the profound journey Marcus has successfully completed. Life constantly asks us to carry a burden, and we cannot escape this fundamental law of human existence, no matter what. You can choose the sharp, brief pain of pushing your limits today, or suffer the dull, endless ache of future disappointment tomorrow. You cannot travel back in time to empty the massive bag of regret you have already filled during your past years. However, you possess the absolute power to stop dropping new stones into that terrible bag, starting this very exact moment. Every single morning presents a fresh battlefield where your present comfort fights a relentless war against your truly glorious future potential. Discipline is simply the bridge connecting your current reality to your desired dreams, built with small, consistent actions taken every single day. It is the conscious choice to endure temporary discomfort now, so you can enjoy lasting peace and immense pride later on. Meanwhile, regret is a silent thief that slowly steals your joy, leaving behind nothing but empty wishes and bitter tears. The tragedy of regret is that it usually arrives too late, when you no longer have the strength to change things. Time is the only resource you can never recover, and it moves forward ruthlessly, completely ignoring your excuses and your endless procrastinations. But as long as you have breath in your lungs, you have the magnificent opportunity to rewrite your final chapter. The path of discipline may look steep and frightening at first, but every step makes your legs stronger and more capable. The path of laziness looks incredibly inviting and smooth, but it ultimately leads into a dark, inescapable forest of sorrow and despair. Marcus chose the steep path, and though he stumbled many times, he never allowed himself to turn back towards darkness. True growth always happens outside your comfort zone, where the pressure forces your hidden potential to break through the hard surface. Just like raw iron being forged in a blazing fire, your character is shaped by the difficult choices you make every day. When you finally embrace the weight of discipline, you will discover a profound sense of freedom that nobody can steal. You will no longer be a victim of your circumstances, but the powerful architect of your own magnificent and inspiring destiny. Ask yourself, which bag are you choosing to fill today? The light pouch of discipline or the crushing sack of regret? The choice is entirely yours, and it must be made anew every single morning when you open your eyes to reality. Do not let another precious day slip away into the dark abyss of what could have been. Start building your legacy. Marcus proved that it is never too late to drop the heavy stones and pick up the light, empowering tools of discipline. Remember those wise words forever. Discipline weighs mere ounces, while regret will eventually crush your spirit with its massive tons. We invite you to look deep within yourself and make the brave choice to pursue greatness, despite the temporary hardships involved. Your future self is watching you right now, begging you to take that difficult first step toward a beautiful and fulfilling life. Thank you for watching Soul Growth Stories. May you always find the strength to choose discipline over regret. See you next time.